Assalamu alaikum. Thanks for clicking. This is Ashfaq Khan. Hope you all are great. There are questions that are bombarded on us and we have no answer to it. So each one of us usually use the phrase, I don't know. So in this video, we are going to learn some phrases that you can use instead of just saying, I don't know. So let's have a look at the very first phrase that I have for you is, I have no idea. I have no idea. When someone comes and asks you a question and you have no answer to it, you have no information. So the better phrase, rather than just saying I don't know, is I have no idea. In fact, these are the three phrases that you can use in similar situation when you have no answer to a question, you have no information, and you can't even guess the answer. So you can use one of these three phrases. The first one is, I have no idea. I have no idea. I have no clue. I have no clue. For example, when someone asks you, hey, do you know who broke this glass? I have no clue. Reason, because you are not there and you have no information. So the better phrase that you can use is, I have no clue, or I haven't the foggiest idea. The fog when the picture is absolutely blurred to you. So these are the three interesting phrases that you can use in a kind of situation when you have no answer, you have no information, and you can't even guess the answer. Alright, now the next phrase that I have for you is, your guess is as good as mine. Your guess is as good as mine. Well, sometimes people ask certain questions because they have no answer, and even you have no answer to it. So the better phrase that you can use in that kind of situation is, your guess is as good as mine, which means you are thinking the same, which I don't know. Alright, the next one is, it beats me. It beats me is a kind of phrase that you can use when you are not able to understand certain things. For example, when you are in your college and your professor is giving a lecture and you are not able to understand him, and your friend or partner asks you, hey, do you understand him? Of course, you are confused. So the better phrase that you can use in that kind of situation is, it beats me. Now the next phrase that I have for you is, not as far as I know. Not as far as I know is a phrase that you can use when the thing or the situation is probably true but not according to you. So the better phrase in that kind of situation is, not as far as I know. Now the next phrase that I have for you is, who knows. Who knows. Who knows is a kind of phrase when the answer is impossible. For example, when someone asks you, do you know when will animal die? Impossible to guess the answer. So the better phrase, rather than just saying I don't know, is, who knows. Who knows. Alright, now let's have a look at another set, which is, how should I know, don't ask me, and search me. So these are the three phrases that you can use in a kind of situation where you are really annoyed and irritating. For example, when you are at your workplace and you are very busy and someone comes and asks different type of questions, and you are really annoyed and irritating that why is this person asking me this question. So in that kind of situation, you can use the better phrase, and that is, how should I know. How should I know, or don't ask me. Don't ask me. For example, when someone asks you, who stole money from my wallet? Don't ask me. The better phrase that you can use instead of just saying I don't know, or search me. Search me. So these are the 10 interesting phrases that you can use instead of just saying I don't know.